Butterfly just flew by. Lactic acid bacteria. It's all around us. On our skin, on the soil, on the plants. If we look at it under a microscope, they're small rod bacteria. And there are helpers. In this video I'll show you how to collect it, multiply them, then extract it, and use that in your garden. It's very easy. It's just using rice washed water mixed with milk. First we do the collection. We just take some rice, we wash it with water, but we save that water. That water is going to have some of that colony in it of those lactic acid bacteria. That bacteria is going to multiply and we'll smell that collection of water for the next couple days. On the second or third night, it's going to have kind of a sweet smell to it. If you waited too long and it stinks, start over. But when it smells nice and sweet like that, just a slight sweetness to it, we're going to mix that with milk. Any old milk will do. I like whole milk. We mix that with whole milk at a 1 part collection to 10 parts milk. From there we wait 36 to 48 hours, putting that on our countertop, covered lightly, either with a piece of paper towel, a cloth, or the lid on lightly. And after 36 to 48 hours, we'll see that separation. The curd will be on the top, the whey on the bottom. The whey is the extract that we want to collect. Then we can use that in our garden beds. I'll show you how we collect it, mix them together, and then extract it, and how we use it in our garden beds. Helping keep all this happy and healthy. Lactic acid really helps against disease, makes the garden real healthy, makes the nutrients more available. Let's go ahead in and have a look. We'll see how we do this. All right, the lab extraction is complete. I'm going to remove the curd from the whey, the lactic acid bacteria extract. We'll eat the cheese either on pizza or on our salad tonight. I'll probably share some pictures of that. To do it, I'll cut this first into 4 pieces. Makes it a little easier to get out of there. Sometimes you could fork it out of there. You're better off just dumping it, I found. One of those slabs to fall out. Here it goes. Oh! I'll let that cheese drain for a little bit. I'll actually probably put this through a cheesecloth as well to make sure I get anything I can out of there. Okay, I have a single layer cheesecloth set up here. I'll dump the extract through that, filtering out any remaining solids. There's a little bit at the end here I might not even pour out. I'll just throw it out on the garden bed. So now I'll put a lid on this. I'll date it. And I'll put it in the fridge. I'll store it in the fridge. When I water the garden, when I use compost teas, I'll add it to those. But only at 1,000 to 1. A very little bit. What is that? 429 lab. Okay, the finished lab. Lactic acid bacteria extract. Now I can spray that all over the food forest, all over the plants, all over the soil, and acts as a wonderful soil probiotic, protecting against plant disease, enhancing growth, and acting as a growth stimulator, giving all those minerals, nutrients, and microbes to the plants and soil we spray it on. Hope that helps. I'm George, Fat Ninja Food Forest. Change is better than a holiday, and long overdue. Korean natural farming. catching and storing that energy.